Welcome to our episode 2 of our guitar health report, and thanks for your usual support. The guitar is getting better. Whatever is possible to be played here on this first 3 fret, we can also play the same thing on this first 3 fret. In fact, this is just like the like another guitar, and it's a duplication of this part that is here. Please do subscribe for more of our tips. Now, the second point that we want to bring to our attention, because this guitar is still in the operational room, and you need to subscribe, you need to add a comment if you want this guitar to be alive. So the second point we want to bring to our notice in terms of this dot, this knot here, this is a knot. In one of our lessons, we said the knot represents a fret. Now, this is what we mean practically. This knot here can serve as here. So these two dots here are like the knot, because this knot gives us this E, A, D, G, B, and E. So also here, if we say this is a knot, then from this knot, anytime we press this knot, we will also get E, A, D, G, B, and E. So in essence, in summary, we can say this knot serves as the 12th fret, and this 12th fret serves as this knot. If you know how the knot already operates, so just take that knowledge and imagine that this knot is being put here. So if this knot is being put here, that means a knot actually serves as a fret, and this fret is serving as a knot. So that is why we have two dots here, to always indicate to the person playing that you are now in another guitar. So even if without even looking at it directly from here, when you are playing, these dots are hidden to the person facing you. It's the person playing that sees this note. They are to direct you on what is happening on the fretboard. So this note is like a fret, and this note is like this, the 12th fret, and this 12th fret is like this note. So we can as well say the 12th note is equal to the 12th fret, is equal to the note. The third point we want to explain here is that since we already know that this note is serving as a fret and this fret is serving as a note, okay, we now say they are equal, isn't it? That means after this note or this fret, we have 1, 2 frets that are free before the first dot. The same thing, after this our fret or after this our note, we also have 2 empty frets before the next dot. So that is why here we have 2 frets that are free, and here we also have 2 frets that are free. In fact, let's mark them with yellow. So these 2 frets, they are like introductory fret into the guitar, and these 2 frets that come after the dot serve the same purpose. So these are the 2 frets that introduce us to the guitar, and these are the 2 frets that they introduce us to the first part of the guitar, and then these two frets introduce us to the second part of the same guitar. So that's why we have marked them. So they are one and the same thing, and they function in the same way. And most time when we are starting to play the guitar, we are told, or we play keys using the first three frets, 1, 2, and 3. Now, when we say 1, 2, and 3, this third one is actually the fourth one. So let's do it like this. So this third, what we popularly call the third 3 fret, is actually 4, because this note also serves as a fret. So if we accept that this note serves as a fret, that means we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing here. If we accept that this note, this fret actually serves as a note, so that means we'll be counting to the dot, we'll be counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way. Now, let's go to another part of this guitar that we just discovered. And as I said, please do subscribe, because your subscription and especially your comment will take our guitar out of this theater alive, because it's our ability to dissect this guitar very well that will guarantee its health. Please, if you love us and you love this our guitar, for us to continue this class, write a comment, I beg. All right. Now, this is what we are left with. We are left with 4 division. So the next point we want to explain in terms of the operation and the dissection of this our guitar is the division of the guitar into segments. We'll call them division. Let's say this guitar can be divided into 4 frets, each 4 frets into different divisions. And now, when we look at the whole the guitar, we say this is our note, but don't look at it as an end, look at it as a fret. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So they make up one division. So we'll start our counting by this first fret, which is our note, then 2, 3, 4. So 4. So we have 4 frets. Okay, now let's count again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our first division, 4 fret first division. This first division. 4 fret second division. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So third fret, 4 fret, third division. So we have 4 frets, which are the first division. The second 4 fret is the second division. The third 4 fret is the third division. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 brings us to 12. So 4 fret, 4 fret. 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 4, 12. So that's why at the end of the third set of 4, we have another guitar. and we always rely on you. If you give your comment, our guitar will be safe. So thank you, and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.